So Vijay sir,
Sir,
what's easy to cook? Vegetarian or non-vegetarian?
sir, but calling the word dosa also is a very big monolith that ways. That
Not dosa, dose.
dosa.
Which is the one city that you would associate with fond food memories?
Which is the best restaurant in Bangalore?
I do like food across India. But South Indian food, I feel, is more nutritious, more well balanced, more satiating. Take the ragi mudde, for example. A very humble meal, farmers' food. It's something which keeps you full almost half a day at least. Yeah.
Mughlai cuisine that ways is something which I crave for also from time to time.
Southern Indian food, don't you think there is more of originality?
We are not. We just don't have the religious diversity or caste diversity or like linguistic diversity. Look at the food.
Yeah.